There's a split in the weather highway. Thank you for watching Jason Nappi Weather and Nappycast. There it is, the jet stream, the weather highway, the southern stream energy going off the coast. That's where all of the moisture is, really most of it. We've got low pressure, an upper level low that's spinning right now over New England. That's giving us the snow in Maine. You see that here on Maine Futurecast, the light blue, a clipper, not a lot of moisture with it. However, Penobscot Bay, down east, an opportunity here for some enhanced snow later on this evening into the overnight. Then that's going to wrap up. It'll be over by Sunday morning. You'll wake up, sun will come out, and yes, there'll be a bluebird day over Maine with that nice, I don't know if I'd call it snowpack with 1 to 3 inches, but I mean this year, yeah, we'd call 1 to 3 inches snowpack because it's just barren right now out across Maine. It is snowing at current time. Temperatures and wind. We've got that wind out of the north from Saturday into a good chunk of Wednesday here. So we'll have temperatures along the coastal plain warm up just a bit. You see those 30s popping up in southern Maine. Temperatures up in the county, teens as we get later into the weekend and during the week. So we'll warm up a bit this weekend, obviously outside of the mountains. And then we'll start to cool down again. Another clipper comes in around Tuesday. So no big storms here. There goes the storm out to sea. Another clipper comes in. This is a kind of a late Monday, Tuesday time frame. You see that over the Great Lakes. That's the clipper. That's the next clipper. And that one is going to be less moisture than the one we have now. So do not expect a lot of snow, if any, on Tuesday. Much colder over Canada. Let's look at the weather highway. We've got the heights lowering right now over Canada. This is really for about 10 days out, actually. And with those heights coming down, that's the cold air sinking down. And if you look at the EPO, which is just a fancy kind of term for what's going on right now, well off to our west. So you get this kind of ridge building over Alaska and a trough in the Rockies. Now, with a trough in the Rockies and the Four Corners, that typically means we don't get super cold here because of that trough out west and then a ridge way out to sea in the Atlantic Ocean. So if you're looking for the next storm signal, the next snowstorm that we desperately really need here for a lot of people in Maine that rely on it, it's a very weak signal for January 21st, 22nd. There's not a cluster of lows off the coast, so the clipper moves through today. We clear out tomorrow. Here comes another clipper. This is on Tuesday. Not a lot of snow with that one. Very moisture starved. And then we dry out for several days. Then we'll get into the 21st, 22nd time frame. You're going to see that storm try and form. It is a weak signal. It's not a blockbuster storm. This is a weak signal, but nevertheless, doesn't take a lot if we can get high snow ratios, right? So right now, that time frame is the 21st, 22nd for that storm to come through. Still 10 days, but the 14-day snow trend, which is going to change, but you see it here, has several inches in Maine as we get all the way out about 10 to 14 days. So you got to go up that far to get 6 or 7 inches right now, pretty much widespread statewide across Maine. I thank you for watching Jason Nappi Weather. Thank you for following along the latest updates. I'll do the latest talking points on the storms right here every day. And I hope you have a great rest of your day and weekend.